Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. Alhamdulillah, thumma salatu wa salamu ala rasulillah wa ala ahlihi wa sahbihi wa man tabi'ahum bi ihsan ila yawmiddin. We thank Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala who has spared us to this moment. We ask him to make this sojourn of ours and his one. Ameen. Now, inshallah, bi qudratillah, we are still under al-a'dad, numbers. Al-a'dad, numbers. So we started and we have done quite some things. So inshallah tonight we are going to be looking at al-a'dad min 11 ila 99, meaning 11 to 99. وحكم تمييزها, because that's where we are going actually. وحكم تمييزها, and the ruling on the disambiguation. Now, so like we have on the board, this is not new to us. We have al-a'dad, and we are told why we segmented these numbers into this section. Because of why? Because of the ruling of the ma'dud or the tamyiz. So we have 11 to 3 to 10. It has its hukm for the ma'dud, for the counted, which is the tamyiz also. And then we have 11 to 99, which is nasbuhu mufradan, meaning the ma'dud, the counted object. It is what? Nasbuhu mufradan, which is the tamyiz also, that comes to remove the ambiguity from what we are counting. Also, we have 100 to 1000. But for today's class, the focus is what? 11 to 99, which the hukm al-ma'dud, meaning the tamyiz, is what? Nasbuhu mufradan. It has to be in nasbu state and it will be mufrad. Now, so before we move also, while we are treating this, what we are going to treat here, as you can see, is that in the last class we did 11 to 19. Why? Because how the number is structured is different from what we are going to do today. That one was 11 to 19 was ahada ashara till tis'ata ashara. It is mabniyun ala fatihu juz'ayn, meaning the two parts, the numbers we are using, they are both mabniyu on the two parts. Ahada is mabni, ashara is mabni. All we get. But the number structure we are going to use today, it is what? It is ma'tuf, meaning it has wa attached to it. So that's why we splitted it. But still, both of them, they are hukm al-ma'dud. The hukm or the ruling concerning what we are going to count, it is what? Nasbuhu mufradan. It is going to be in nasbu state and it's going to be mufrad. Now, so let's follow now. So we are going to see alfazul uqud, meaning what? Meaning just terms, or the terms that for the tens, meaning from 20, 30 to 90. So we have 20, 30, 40, we have 50, we have 60, we have 70, we have 80, and we have 90, 10, 20 to 90. And as you can see, this alfazul uqud, meaning these terms are actually, they call them mulhaqu jam'i mudhakkar salim, meaning they tend to, or they act like jam'u mudhakkar salim, meaning what? It will be in raf'un state with wa, not this nun. It will be in raf'un state, marfu'un bil wawi. It is going to be in raf'un state bil wawi, and it is going to be in majrur state and mansub state bil ya'i. So if it's going to take nasbu, it's going to take jazm, this wa will change to ya. So it will be 20, 90, like that. So it's like inna lillahi tis'atan wa tis'in. You can see. So it's in nasbu state. So that is that. Now let's see these numbers now. Again, we've treated 11 to 19. So because we want to treat this second part, meaning more like 21 to 99, because how we write the numbers is different from how we write 11 to 99. 11 to 19, that's like that one is ahada ashara, tis'ata ashara. But this is different. So see now, we have wahidun or wahidatun wa ishrun. So why did we put this last? So if you are going to count from this 21, so the first part, for this 21 and 20, so this is 21 actually, this is 22. The first part goes or agrees with what you want to count. So mashallah, let's say you want to count column, pen, want to count column. I want to say 21 pens. So what will I say? Wahidun wa ishiruna qalaman. Don't forget, qalaman. Wahidun wa ishiruna qalaman. Because what I want to count is masculine. So when I want to count 21 or 22, the first part has to agree with the tamyiz or with the ma'dud. So I use wahidun wa ishiruna qalaman. But I wanted to count maybe 21 girls. I will have to use wahidatun wa ishiruna bintan. I hope you get. So that first part has to agree. Same with ithnani and ithnatani. So I want to count 22 pens. I will say what? Ithnani wa ishiruna qalaman. I hope you get. But I didn't want to be 22 girls. I will say what? Ithnatani wa ishiruna bintan. Hope you get. So that's, and also you might have noticed in some text, maybe for people that read many texts, you might have seen maybe ihda is, some people do count it as so. So we just use wahidun wa wahidatun. Wahidun or wahidatun. So meaning if you want to count masculine items, you have to make this agree with it. So wahidun wa ishiruna qalam, because it's masculine, and that means to be feminine, to be wahidatun wa ishiruna bintan. I hope you get. So the same applies to 21 and 22. Now, as for from 23 downwards, say 23 to 29. So the first part has to be in opposite, like it has to be opposite in gender with what you want to count. So again, let's say we want to count 23 pens. So what will I say? You know how we usually count pen before. So it has to be thalathatun wa ishiruna qalaman. I hope you get. Thalathatun wa ishiruna qalaman. So 23 pens, like that. So 24 pens will be what? Arba'atun wa ishiruna qalaman. 25 pens will be what? Khamsatun wa ishiruna qalaman. I hope you get. But I mean you are counting feminine. So let's say bint also. I want to count 25 girls. So the first part has to be in opposite gender with what I want to count. So I will say khamsun wa khamsuna bintan. Why? So what I want to count this. So this I want to count something that is feminine. I have to use the first part has to be in opposite gender with it. I hope you get. So that is so khamsun wa khamsuna bintan. And don't forget what we are actually treating. Why we reach or what made us do that is because like we are treating tamyiz. Tamyiz is our main focus. But this we have different types of like tamyiz, like how tamyiz comes. So this is for the adad. You know, we've done for kail, waznu, misaha. So this is for tamyiz in the adad. I hope you get. So again, so we have the mumayyaz. So we have said something is called mumayyaz, meaning what is like what's a statement that is ambiguous. So if I were to say khamsun wa ishirun, 25 words is not clear. It is not clear. So this is mumayyaz. Like that is what we brought this item to come and clarify. So if I say khamsun wa ishiruna binta, so this is now tamyiz, the clear of ambiguity, the item that removes ambiguity, because 25, merely stating 25 is ambiguous. So this is now clearing the ambiguity that, okay, don't think of any kind of 25. I'm talking about 25 girls. So this is tamyiz, clarifying, so the mumayyaz. I hope you get. So like that. So we have tamaniyatun wa ishirun. And we have tamanin because it is mankusi. It is mankusi, samani. So these are you write it. This is the normal state. Tamanin, other than when it now takes nasbu, as we will see later, the year will now come out. So thamaniyatun wa ishirun, meaning 28. Then tis'atun wa ishirun, 29. So this one, you know why I said this one, if we are going to count feminine entity. I hope that is clear. So let's see the numbers in full action. So let's see. We have ja'a wahidun wa ishiruna taliban. What does it mean? Ja'a wahidun wa ishiruna taliban. Wa dhahabat wahidatun wa ishiruna talibatan. So 21 boys came. Wa dhahabat wahidatun wa ishiruna talibatan. And 21 girls left. I hope you get. So now see what we told us, because this is, don't forget, 21 and 22. The first part has to agree with your tamyiz, your ma'adud, what you are counting. So I have wahidun, it agrees. And don't forget again, this for 11 to 99, the tamyiz or the ma'adud has to be what? Nasbuhu mufrad. And you can see, so not because I said 21 boys, I have to say wahidun wa isiruna tulaban. No, it's incorrect. It's incorrect. So it has to be in Nasbu state, in mufrad state. So I said wahidun wa isiruna taliban. This is our tamyiz. Wa dhahabat wahidatun. Again, why did I use wahidatun? For 21 and 22, if you are counting something that is feminine, the first part has to agree with it in gender. So this is muannas. So wa dhahabat wahidatun wa ishiruna talibatan. So 21 girls left. Again, just to point out. So all these alfasul uqud, if you want to use them, it does not matter what gender you want to use it to count. So I can say ishiruna taliban or ishiruna talibatan. Salasuna rajulan, thalathuna mar'atan. You get? It does not matter. It goes with anyone. It's just the first part. All those 21, 22, 23, that is the one you point. Okay, if it's 21 and 22, okay, it has to agree with the gender that's coming after it. But if it is to be 23 to 29, or maybe 43 to, you don't care. The first part for those 23 to 29, the first part has to be in opposite gender with what you want to count. So now let's see another thing in action. So we have fil masjidi thamaniyatun wa thalathuna rajulan. Fil masjidi thamaniyatun wa thalathuna rajulan wa thamanin wa thalathuna imra'atan. What does it mean? Fil masjid, in the mosque, thamaniyatun wa thalathuna rajulan. There are 38 men. There are 38 men in the masjid, and there are 38 women. You can see. Now, so let's see again. First, let's point out our tamyiz. It is underlined in red. So you can see rajulan. I did not say thamaniyatun wa thalathuna rijalan. No, we told you that it's only 3 to 10 that follow that English idiosyncrasy of jamu, like boys, like thalathatun awladin. But if you want to be, that's why we still have this here. Nasbuhu mufradan. What you want to count has to be in nasbu state, in mufrad state. So rajulan imra'atan. So again, see now, I want to count men. I want to count something that is masculine. See, this first part is in opposite gender with you. This is a feminine adad. So it has to be in opposite gender with it. So you have thamaniyatun wa thalathuna rajulan, and this is a masculine gender, but I want to use it to count something that is feminine. So you have thamanin wa thalathuna imra'atan. 38 women. All we get, and we told you this is a rough state like this, so it will be thamanin. All we get. Now, so let's see another state where all this adad can be. So I said ra'aytu sab'atan wa khamsina waladan. Ra'aytu sab'atan wa khamsina waladan wa thamaniyan. You can see wa thamaniyan wa 20 bintan. What does it translate to? Ra'aytu, I saw, sab'atan wa khamsina waladan. I saw 57 boys. Wa thamaniyan wa 20, and 28 girls. You can see. Ra'aytu sab'atan wa khamsina waladan. I saw 57 boys. Wa thamaniyan wa 20 bintan, and 28 girls. You can see. So now let's point out what needs to be pointed out. So we have this our tamyiz. You have to show your tamyiz. These are mumayyaz, meaning the item that was ambiguous, like we now clarify using our tamyiz. So this sab'atan wa khamsina is the mumayyaz, and this waladan is the tamyiz or the ma'dud. So you can see we said hukm al ma'dud or al tamyiz, hukm al ma'dud or hukm al tamyiz is the same thing. So what do we note here? I want to count something that is masculine. I have to use the feminine adad. So sab'atan wa khamsina waladan. Then thamaniyan. So you can see thamanin. So if it takes nasbu to force out the ya, so it will be thamaniyan وعشرين بنتا. Again, we want to count something that is minus, meaning feminine. I have to use the first part, that's those first parts, 53, those first parts. You have to make sure it is opposite in gender to it. So I use ثمانيا وعشرين. You don't, this one does not matter, everyone goes. So ثمانيا وعشرين بنتا. I saw 57 boys and 28 girls. Hope it's clear. So that is so just because we did a few 50-50, it does not matter. You just have to grab the concept that we have from 21 from 11 to 99, or the one, this ma'atuf. We said this is ma'atuf, and I said this is ma'atuf. Why? Because why you can see that's why it says it is ma'atuf. This and that is ma'atuf. We have wa attached to it. So what do we need to note is that 21 and 22, those first parts has to agree. They have to agree with what you are counting. One. Then for the other part, the first part have to be in opposite gender to what you are counting, meaning the tamyiz or the ma'adud. So we hope with this this has clarified how to use the adad from 11 to 99. Subhanallah bihamdik, ashhadu an la ilaha illa ant, astaghfiruka wa atubu ilayk. Please kindly share, like and comment on the videos. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh.